Bonjour, hello out there. This is a video for those of you who want to learn how to make crepes, and I'm going to have a couple of different instructional videos. This first video is just to show you the step where you have the flour in the bowl, 2 cups of flour, and you can see that on the recipe. There's a part of the recipe where it says make a well in the center and pour in half the liquid mixture. It says stir carefully, letting the flour fall in the liquid little by little. The batter should be barely fluid. Stir the batter 2 to 3 minutes. So I just want to show you what I do for this. I don't know if this is going to work. Here's my bowl with my flour. Okay, and then here is, in this container, this is like a 2-cup container. So I did half milk. Actually, I used lactate milk because I'm lactose intolerant, and then half water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently pour in some of this, and then I'm going to stir it. Let me see if I can show you how I'm doing it this way. Oh, nope, it's not going to let me do it like that. So I'm going to stir it, and you're going to see it's going to make kind of like a ball, like a liquid ball, okay? And I'm going to add about half of this cup that I have right here, this measuring cup, which means I'm going to end up adding about a cup of liquid, okay? Once I add about half of it, it will almost look like a little Play-Doh ball. And at that point, I will get a wooden spoon and I will just kind of mash on it for just a couple minutes, just to kind of work the dough.